This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Well-maintained, open floor plan home with detached garage. Honeybee golf course area. Beautiful water and golf course view. Gas fireplace in living room, gas heat and central air. Eat-in kitchen includes new range, new dishwasher, new refrigerator, new microwave, new cabinets, new granite and fresh paint. Washer and dryer hookups. Tons of space, walk-up attic. New carpet upstairs and wood laminate downstairs. Newer updated baths. Ready to make yours. Close to bases, shopping, and entertainment. Great deck patio area fenced overlooking the golf course and ponds. For more information, review the details below.